Hello friends, welcome to our Scholar Journal. Today we learn essay on my favorite bird, the peacock. I like many birds, but the peacock is my favorite bird. It is a large and splendid bird. The peacock has a fine crest on its head. It has a keen eyesight and hearings. The peacock has a long tail. I like its colorful feathers. The feathers of the back are green. Each feather has a heart-shaped spot ringed with blue, green, and yellow. They are called eyes. The peacock spreads its tail like a big fan. It dances and shirks when the rains come. Although the peacock cannot fly very high, it can run fast. It eats grains and worms in the fields. It can kill snakes.